And some breaking news coming in. MP Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan speaks out on the exam scam, says allegations against him are baseless. Remember, he has slapped a defamation suit against the Congress leader KK Mishra.
अभी भी कांग्रेस शिवराज फोबिया से ग्रसित है। वो हताश हैं, वो निराश हैं और अपने अस्तित्व की लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं। जहाँ वर्चस्व की लड़ाई होती है वहाँ कांग्रेस का नेता सोचता है कि मैं बड़ा नेता कैसे बन जाऊंगा। उनका एक आरोप लगा दो। मैं जो स्थिति है मैं बता चुका हूँ, स्पष्ट कर चुका हूँ। जहाँ आवश्यक है वहाँ कानूनी कार्रवाई करने का काम कर रहा हूँ। लेकिन ये डर्टी ट्रिक्स डिपार्टमेंट जो कांग्रेस का है वो इस तरह के आरोप लगा रहा है जो बेबुनियाद हैं, निराधार हैं, तथ्यहीन हैं और इसलिए जो स्थिति है वो सारी स्पष्ट है। अब कांग्रेस तो अब कुछ तो करेगी, तो यही करेगी कीचड़ उछालने का।
My colleague Hemendra now joining us for more on that. Hemendra, this really has become a war of words between the BJP and the Congress. The Congress, of course, has got more ammunition in this case because they've not only named the Chief Minister, they've also named members of his family in this entire scam.
Well, yes, the opposition Congress party has in fact leveled personal allegations against the Chief Minister and his immediate family members. And it was first KK Mishra, the spokesman of the Congress party, who had said that the Chief Minister's wife was also involved because 19 members had been appointed in the transport department from Gondia, the home district of the Chief Minister's wife. That was the allegation on day one. The Chief Minister reacted to that by saying that he was going to court and file a defamation case in that. The Chief Minister himself did not go to court, but the government did actually go to court and file a defamation case against KK Mishra. But on the other day, the leader of opposition has now charged the Chief Minister of misusing his powers and allowing his niece to become a state public service officer through this Public Service Commission. And they have also provided some evidence which they are using as ammunition in the sense that the exams are being rigged, the marks are being changed over there. So these are the allegations that have been leveled against the Chief Minister. And the Chief Minister, reacting to that, they said that it is the dirty tricks department of the Congress party that is playing this. And he really didn't have any answers to the real questions that the Congress party is putting at him, because somewhere down the line, somewhere from his immediate family members are also involved in some scams which the Congress party had earlier raised.